I'm Stephen Chu. I'm the director of Lawrence Berkeley National Laboratory. I'm also professor of physics at UC Berkeley and professor of molecular and cell biology at Berkeley. I was awarded co-recipient of the 1997 Nobel Prize in Physics. I think science and technology has played a fundamental role in the prosperity of the United States. I was privileged to be on a committee that issued a report, Rising Above the Gathering Storm, and the message in this report was very clear that unless the United States pays attention to its intellectual capital, and in particular the intellectual capital of the scientists, in both growing the next generation of scientists and making sure they're properly employed and used, the United States faces very stiff competition economically throughout the whole world. Other countries in the world have learned the lessons that we have taught them, that as scientists came to the United States and made this their new home, the prosperity of the United States was really closely linked to this influx of intellectual power. I would urge the candidates to think deeply about these questions, that the decisions made on science funding and with the precious resources that we have and all of the compromises that policymakers have to make, it's very important that the funding for science and technology be done in the wisest way possible and with the best balance for what's good for the entire United States. In order to do that, they really have to get their heads into these issues. Having a debate would be a way of really starting the discussion with them on how to best fund science and how to best ensure the prosperity of the United States.